Hi friends, today we are going to learn one of the important topics and interesting topic, that is about body fluids. So apart from learning about the organs, tissues and all, so we are going to learn something new, that is about fluids. Here we come to know about the importance of fluids and their effect on the growth and development of all the organisms. So here we will learn about how body fluids are classified, their properties, composition, their functions, and also the effects of the body fluids on certain diseases. So, what are body fluids? Body fluids are also called bodily fluids or biofluids, and these are the liquids that are present within the human body. So a healthy male has 60 percentage and a healthy female has 55 percentage. And here body fluids are classified into intracellular fluid and extracellular fluid. So intracellular means intra is inside, cellular is cell, so the fluids present inside the cell. And extracellular, extra means outside and cellular is cell, so the fluids present outside the cell. So here we can see the fluids present outside the cell are blood, lymph and cerebrospinal fluid. So here you can see 67% is the intracellular fluid and extracellular fluid contains interstitial fluid, intravascular fluid and cerebrospinal fluid. So interstitial fluid is 26%, that is this light blue, and this purple color intravascular, that is our blood, so it contains 7%. And the last cerebrospinal fluid, so it is about less than 1%. So this thin line, this is the percentage of cerebrospinal fluid. So this is intracellular fluid, and this is interstitial fluid, intravascular, that is blood, plasma, and this is cerebrospinal fluid. So this is the composition. So coming back to blood, blood is the most commonly used body fluid in most of the higher organisms. So mostly in all the higher organisms, the major fluid which we can see is the blood. And again, body fluids are the medium of transport of nutrients, oxygen and other important substances in the body. So the body fluids are helpful in the process of transport of nutrients and oxygen across all other parts of the body and other organs. So transport of oxygen and nutrients is one of the important feature of body fluid. And again, there are some more ways how body fluids are important. So why are body fluids important? So we may think that why we need body fluids. What is the importance of body fluids? Are they important? Yes, they are important because they prevent dehydration. Dehydration is loss of water. So they help in preventing dehydration. They help in digesting food. It also helps to carry nutrients around the body, as said before. They help to regulate the body temperature and also they help in blood circulation. So they are helpful in all these ways. Hence, we conclude that body fluids are necessary and they are really important. So here we are going to learn about two types of fluids, that is cerebrospinal fluid and lymph. So these are the important body fluids which do not have RBCs. Hence they look colorless. So we know that blood has RBC. So that is the reason why blood appears red in color. Whereas these fluids do not contain RBC, so they look colorless. So first is cerebrospinal fluid. So this is the brain, and you have lateral ventricle, third ventricle and all. Here this is the choroid plexus. So this cerebrospinal fluid is produced in choroid plexus of central nervous system. So this is the choroid plexus. See this arrow mark, and here these are the choroid plexus, and inside that you can see somewhat different color. So this is your CSF. CSF is cerebrospinal fluid. So this is the choroid plexus, and this is your inside is your CSF. So cerebrospinal fluid is produced inside the choroid plexus of central nervous system. So what is central nervous system? Central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord together. So this is your brain and this is your spinal cord. So these two together we call as central nervous system. So the central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. Here the brain lives inside the cranium and it has several parts, whereas the spinal cord is housed inside the vertebral column. So the organs of central nervous system, that is CNS, they are covered by a protective tissues called meninges. So they are covered by protective tissues called meninges, and also the organs of central nervous system, they are surrounded by this cerebrospinal fluid. So that also provides protection. So the main thing that provides protection to the central nervous system is our protective tissues, meninges, and also this fluid, cerebrospinal fluid. So you can answer cerebrospinal fluid provides protection to the organs of central nervous system. Central ventricles are also present in spinal canal and subarachnoid space. So you can see the total volume of cerebrospinal fluid is 100 to 150 ml. So these are the ventricles and this is the subarachnoid space. So this is the subarachnoid space seen here. This is the choroid plexus and the CSF is present here. So coming back to the properties, they are very clear, colorless and transparent fluid. As they don't have RBCs, they are colorless, and also they are very clear and transparent fluid. Their specific gravity is 1.003 to 1.008, and also they are alkaline in nature and hence their pH ranges from 7.35 to 7.40. Hope that you all like the video. In next video session, we will discuss about the composition, functions and diseases related to cerebrospinal fluid. Next, please support us by sharing and liking our video. Please subscribe us if you have not yet, and don't forget to press the bell button icon also. Thank you.